All right, let's talk about it. We're going to get into that thing that happens to so many of us, that feeling when you're supposed to speak English and your mind just goes completely blank. But more importantly, we're going to look at a pretty cool way to break through that feeling using a tool that you probably have on you right now.
I want this to really sink in for a second. Seriously, you understand movies, you can read things online, you can follow along with conversations. All that knowledge is already in your brain. It really is. So this isn't a knowledge problem. It's something else entirely.
So what gives? That is the big question, isn't it? You have the perfect sentence all ready to go in your head. And then, when it's your turn to talk, poof, it's just gone. What is actually happening in that moment?
Okay, so here it is. The real enemy isn't your English level. It's fear. It's anxiety. And you know what? Just giving it a name is a huge first step toward beating it. Let's dig into what that actually feels like, because it's a very real thing.
First, it's physical, right? You know that feeling. Your throat just closes up. It's like the words are literally, physically trapped in there.
And then your brain just checks out. All those smart, well-formed thoughts you had a second ago, they've vanished, replaced with nothing but static.
And that has got to be the most frustrating part. You knew what you wanted to say, but it's like the wire connecting your brain to your mouth just got unplugged.
And here's the key thing to understand. This whole experience, it's not a language problem. It's your brain doing its ancient protective job. It sees a perceived danger, like, say, being judged or getting embarrassed, and its solution is simple: shut you up, keep you quiet, keep you safe. The only issue is that safety also keeps you completely stuck. But what if there was a place you could practice where there was zero danger? I mean, absolutely no one to judge you, nothing to be embarrassed about, zero pressure? Well, that's exactly where AI comes in. Think of it like a private, personal gym for your speaking skills.
Just think about the difference. When you're talking to people, there's always that little voice in your head, isn't there? What are they thinking of me? Am I saying this right? But with an AI, none of that exists. It doesn't have opinions. It can't get impatient. It's just there. And when you take away the judgment, that giant wall of fear starts to crumble. Okay, so let's be real. Nobody goes from being silent and nervous to a super confident speaker overnight. It just doesn't work that way. The real key here is to think of it like climbing a ladder. We're just going to focus on one small, manageable step at a time.
And here's what that ladder looks like. We start super safe, just typing. From there, we move to speaking, but only when we're alone. Then we do something kind of weird. We practice making mistakes on purpose. After that, we rehearse for real-world situations. And then finally, we ease into real conversations. The best part? You only move to the next step when you feel ready. There's no rush at all.
So let's look at those crucial first few steps. This is all about building that base, that foundation of confidence, in a place where you have total and complete privacy.
Step 1. Don't even think about using your voice yet. Seriously, just type. Why? Because it takes all the pressure off. You've got time to think, you can edit your words. You're just getting comfortable with the back and forth of a conversation, without that, oh no, it's my turn to talk panic. And look, you don't even have to think about what to say. You can literally just copy and paste this. The goal here isn't to be brilliant or witty. It's just to start. That's it. A simple, low-stakes exchange.
All right, take a deep breath, because this is a big step. Once typing feels okay, it's time to actually use your voice. But remember, you are completely alone. Close the door. No one can hear you. It's just you and an app that literally cannot judge you. And again, here's a script. You can say these exact words. The AI will understand. And that moment when it responds and you understand it, that feeling is a massive confidence boost. It's you proving to your own brain, hey, see, I can do this.
Now, this next step is going to sound a little weird, but trust me, it is a game changer. The number one thing that freezes us is the fear of messing up, right? So we're going to mess up on purpose. We're going to teach our brain that making a mistake isn't a catastrophe.
This prompt basically gives you permission to be messy. You're telling the AI, hey, I'm going to talk fast, I might use the wrong word, my grammar might be off, and that's the whole point. It's about learning to speak without that constant critic shouting in your ear. And believe me, it is liberating.
So, once you're feeling a bit looser and more comfortable with the flow, we can level up. This is where AI gets really, really powerful. You can use it to rehearse for those specific, high-stakes moments in real life before they even happen.
Think about it. What's the thing that makes you nervous? A job interview? A presentation for a class? Or maybe just trying to make small talk at a party? You can role-play all of these scenarios with an AI until they go from feeling terrifying to feeling
well, familiar.
You can literally ask the AI to become a kind interviewer. Imagine practicing your answers, getting used to the questions, doing it over and over in a safe space. By the time the real interview happens, you've already done it 5 times. Prepared feels a whole lot better than scared, doesn't it?
And this might be the most important part of all of this. You can't wait until you feel ready. You can't wait for the fear to just disappear. Confidence doesn't come before you act. Confidence comes from the act of doing. You get ready by starting. And on those tough days, please remember this. Every single confident English speaker you admire started somewhere. They all had a day when they froze up, when they couldn't find the words. The only difference is that they kept taking those small steps, especially on the days they didn't feel like it.
So are you ready? Because you can take that next step, that very first one on the ladder, in the next 30 seconds.
This is it. This is your first move. Open up an AI app right now while you're listening. Type or say these words. 1 message, 1 question. That's all it takes to start breaking the loop of fear. You've already taken the first step by being here. Now, it's time to take the next one.